It's sort of centered around the idea of being a family business as well as actually being able to cater to adults. So that's why we've got the fully stocked bar and stuff, and then there's also specialty drinks for children and bits and pieces like that. So the whole idea came about when we saw a gap in the market, and from there basically we had the space for a fringe venue, and then we decided, what are we going to do with it the rest of the year? And this is what we ended up coming up with. A really popular ones downstairs is the Pinball Wizard, which is literally a game of pinball only with your golf ball. So you get to whack it up, and then from there you get to hit on the flippers. They all move, they all shake, all the lights go off, it spins, and very subtly it also plays Pinball Wizard as you start up the machine itself. That's been really popular with a lot of people. Upstairs at the Scrappy Doo course, I'd say probably the most popular one we've had is probably the paint pong, which is the one over there to the right hand side. It's just quite a challenge, and you get to see people either nail it in the first go or take forever and end up just getting a bit frustrated when someone else comes and nails it the first go. A lot of it was designed by ourselves, and then it was built by a third party company. A lot of the touch-ups and redesigns we're always constantly doing ourselves though, because we're trying to develop it and make it a lot more than it is. So the company that actually made the holes for us to start with is called Boundless. They also design escape rooms and stuff like that for our other businesses. And from there, basically, we're just always retweaking it and readjusting it to try to make it a more fun experience for everybody. A lot of it is bits and pieces that we've found around, like we've got old car parts that have been rusted over, and we've repurposed them into tubes, into decorations and stuff like that. All of the Scrappy Doo course, at least, is very, very much sourced from either recycled materials or materials we've done using, and then we sort of chuck them on and make it integrated into the actual course itself. It's really about sort of taking whatever materials we can and repurposing them so they're not going to go to waste or anything, and then people get to play some golf around them, so it makes it a bit more fun.